Yo, a top leader in LiveGood is also in Nexus Snap. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a lot of people are talking about Nexus Snap. All right, it's the hot new opportunity that a lot of people are starting to join. Now, Nexus Snap was previously Nexus Rewards, and up until about 6 weeks ago, they actually changed their compensation plan and now go by Nexus Snap. Now, keeping it real, I was a fan of Nexus Rewards compensation plan, but they wanted to go with the more trendy compensation plan that, let's be honest, LiveGood started by having the $10 monthly membership plan. Something that a lot of people are starting to catch on to when it comes to Nexus Snap is their compensation plan actually is better than LiveGood's plan. Because even though from the outside looking in, the LiveGood compensation plan and the Nexus Snap compensation plan look very, very similar, but Nexus Snap decided to add some different little features that can make you a lot more money. I am not at all hating on LiveGood. I am a member of LiveGood. I rock with LiveGood. LiveGood is a dope ass opportunity, but Nexus Snap is no joke. Recently just watched a video from somebody who was on the leaderboard in LiveGood, and they were talking about how they are also a member of Nexus Snap. Now, in the video, she did say if you could join both programs, you should, right? But if she had to pick one, if she was only allowed to join one opportunity, she would go with Nexus Snap. Now, that should tell you a lot, considering that she is on the leaderboard of LiveGood and she's also one of the leaders in Nexus Snap. She's straight up like she has no real gain from either opportunity, and she's telling you like, hey, they both dope, but I would go with Nexus Snap if I had to. And as somebody who is a member of LiveGood and Nexus Snap, like, I feel exactly what she's saying. Because yes, LiveGood is dope as hell, but I made a video talking about, like, in my opinion, if you're gonna be involved with LiveGood, you should have an interest in health and wellness products. And the fact is, I think everybody should be, invested in their health and everything. But if you're not really into that, you're probably not going to do well in LiveGood, because you're going to have a tough time promoting the products, talking about the opportunity if you're not feeling that. The thing with Nexus Snap is it's in the cashback and savings industry, right? So you got to ask yourself, what has a bigger market? People looking to save money and make money, or people looking to, get healthy and earn some extra cash? Unfortunately, it's people would rather save money and make money than take supplements and make money, right? Now, me personally, you know what I'm saying? I rock with the health products too, but it is what it is. And the fact that Nexus Snap is so new, this is the perfect time for people to get involved with this opportunity, because LiveGood just hit 1 million members and it took them around 13 months. All right. So you got Nexus Snap, who officially launched not even like 6 weeks ago, right? So their plans is to be able to hit 1 million members just like LiveGood, because like I said, they're kind of following their footsteps when it comes to the compensation plan, the model that they're using to get that many members. Now, as I'm recording this video, Nexus Snap only has a few thousand members, and that's absolutely nothing compared to where this company is probably going to be in the next 3 months, the next 6 months, the next year. All right, because a year from now, there is a chance that Nexus Snap could have over 1 million members, and you're going to be looking back saying, I wish I would have joined a year ago. Or you might be like, damn, I need to jump in right now. Like, I can't keep letting this slip. But just to give you the heads up, more and more people are starting to join Nexus Snap, and more leaders in the network marketing world are starting to join Nexus Snap. So just like with LiveGood and other network marketing opportunities, the sooner you get in, the better. Because you got to remember, when people come in, they have to go underneath somebody. All right. So with all these leaders starting to jump in, you could already be in, right? If you're already in Nexus Snap, the leaders coming in later, they're going to be underneath you. So yes, this is a dope ass opportunity. I'm super excited to be a part of it and watch this company grow. So if you excited about the Nexus Snap opportunity and you want to jump on your boy's team, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the squad.